Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to Easy Math channel. Now, today we are going to learn a concept from the coordinate geometry, that is section formula. What is this section formula? Suppose let it be take a point A x1 y1 B x2 y2 where 2 points form a line segment and where P is a dividing point in the ratio m is to n. Then what are the coordinates of P? That one we are going to learn today. Right? Now we'll go for proof. Let's take y-axis, take x-axis and take a point, a line segment AB, A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and take a point P which divides AB in the ratio m is to n. That is nothing but AP by BP is equal to m by n. Then what are the coordinates of P? Let the coordinates of P consider as x comma y. Now we are going to find out what is the x and what is y. Now draw a perpendicular from A to x-axis, P to x-axis as well as B to x-axis. Let me take the point C, D, E and draw another two lines which is parallel to CD. That means which is parallel to x-axis. Draw AF and PG. I think you understand. Now, observe the values. Here clearly it is a point x1 comma y1 means the distance from O to C is x1. Here the point x comma y is nothing from the distance from 0 to D is x. O to D is x, O to C is x1, then CD becomes to x minus x1. If it is x minus x1, this one also will be x minus x1. Now in the same way, O to E, the point is x2 y2, that means from the distance from O to E is x2. O to E is x2, O to D is x, then the DE becomes to x2 minus x. If it is x2 minus x, this one also will be x2 minus x. Now in the same way go for the y coordinates also. This is nothing but what? Y1. From here to here it is y. If it is a y, this is y1, then it will becomes to y minus y1 and clearly it is y2. From here to here it is y and that means this one also will be y. This is y2, this is y, then this one will becomes to y2 minus y. This is very important to prove. Now observe in triangle PAF is similar to triangle BPZ. Since AA similarity, why they are similar? Clearly if you observe that this is a right angle, this is also right angle, that means angle F is equal to angle G as well as angle A is equal to angle P. Two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two corresponding angles of the other triangle, then they are similar by the AA similarity. So clearly triangle PAF is similar to triangle BPC. Now we know the condition. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. That means clearly we can say that PA by BP is equal to AF by PZ is equal to PF by BG. Now we have all the values, just substitute. PA by BP already we have taken, that is nothing but M by N. AF by PZ, AF nothing but X minus X1, PG X2 minus X. Next PF Y minus Y1 divided by BG Y2 minus Y. Now here we got A is equal to B is equal to C. If A is equal to B is equal to C, we can take A is equal to B as well as A is equal to C. That means consider the first condition M by N is equal to X minus X1 by X2 minus X. In the second condition, take M by N is equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. Now do the cross multiplication. Mx2 minus Mx is equal to Nx minus Nx1. Mx2 minus Nx1 becomes 2 plus Nx1 is equal to minus Mx becomes 2 plus Mx plus Nx. So clearly Mx2 plus Nx1, take x as common, you will get M plus N. Therefore x is equal to Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. Now we got the coordinate of x. Now we will go for y. Do the cross multiplication. M into y2 my2 minus M into y my, N into y ny minus ny1. Now my2 minus ny1 becomes 2 plus ny1 minus my plus my plus ny. Now my2 plus ny1 is equal to, take y as common, you will get M plus N. Here M plus N is a multiple, becomes to division. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by M plus N. So clearly the coordinates of P we have taken as x comma y. What is x? Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. My2 plus ny1 by M plus N. This is called section formula. Means if a line segment AB is divided by the point P which is inside AB, then the coordinates of P are Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N, My2 plus ny1 by M plus N, where it divides in the ratio M is to N. I think you understand about this. So clearly AB is a line segment. There is a point which is interior AB, divides the total AB in the ratio M is to N. Then the dividing point P, formula Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N, My2 plus ny1 by M plus N. This is called section formula. Basing on this, we can do so many problems. I think you understood. Suppose we will go for the application of the section formula. We will go for the application of the section formula, that is midpoint. What is midpoint? Suppose Take a line segment AB where P is a internally dividing point. If AP is equal to BP, then P is midpoint. Then P is midpoint. We know that, let it be take M by N. We know that AP by BP is equal to M by N. AP is nothing but AP by BP. Clearly we have AP by BP. That is AP by BP can be written as AP is equal to M by N. Let it be taken as M is to N will becomes to 1 is to 1. That means if P is a midpoint of the line segment AB, then it divides in the ratio 1 is to 1. So we got the ratio is how much? 1 is to 1. Now let us apply this one for section formula. P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Already I told you m is to n, take it as 1 is to 1. Substitute m means 1, n means 1 by 1 plus 1, m means 1, n means 1 by m plus n. 1 into x2, x2, 1 into x1, x1. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, same y1 plus y2 by 2. This P is called, this is the formula for midpoint of a line segment. Midpoint of a line segment formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. I think you understand the video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my video, and we will continue the further videos in the next classes. Basing on this, we will go for some few problems. We will see in the next class. Thank you.